So good morning to everyone. I am Ms. Kavita, Head and Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Shakti College of Art and Science for Women, Pottanjatram, Tamil Nadu, India. Today I am going to take about basic assembly functions in system software. So first of all, I have mentioned that what are the basic assembly functions used in the system software. So here I have mentioned start, end, byte, word, RESB, RESBW. So start means specify name and starting address for the program. End means indicate the end of the source program and specifying the first executable instruction in the program. Byte means we are going to generate a character or hexadecimal constant occupying as many bytes as needed to represent the constant. Word means generating a one-word integer constant. RESB means that is we are going to reserve the indicated number of bytes for data area. RESW means we are going to reserve number of words for a data area. So it is one of the example for object program. So next we are going to see about the what are the simple FIC assembler used. What are the steps involved in the assembler directive? So here are 5 steps. First one, we are going to convert a mnemonic operation code to their machine language equivalent. For example, translate HTL to 14. It is mentioned in the line number 10. Second step, we are going to convert symbolic operand to their equivalent machine addresses. For example, translate REDADR 2033 at line number 10. So third step, we're going to build the machine instructions in the proper format. Fourth one, we're going to convert the data constants specified in the source program into the internal machine representation. For example, translate UOF to 454F46. It mentioned the line 80. At last, we're going to mention the object program and assembly listing. So it is an example for object coding program. So here I mentioned the object code. What are the object code? Object code, it means address for each assembler directive and each value mentioned in the object program. So next we can see about, so what are the header record? What are the text record? What are the end record? Header record, it is the initial stage, the first stage in the object program. It mentioned column 1, it has letter H, column 2 to 7 program name, that is file name. Column 8 to 13, it is starting address of the object program. Column 14 to 19 is the length of the object program in bytes. Text record, that is column 1, it mentioned a text, that is T letter. Column 2 to 7, it is starting address for object code in this record. Column 8 to 9, it is length of the object code in this record in bytes. Column 10 to 69, it mentioned object code represented in hexadecimal. End record in column 1, it mentioned as E, that is capital E. And column 2 to 7, address of first executable instruction in the object program. So here is the example for the object program. So here it is mentioned the first letter H, it means header record, starting of the header record. T means it is a text record column. At last, it is an end record mentioned as E. So now we can see about the pass one algorithm and pass two algorithm. Pass one, it means defining what are the symbols used in the object program. Pass two, we are going to assemble instructions and generate object program by using the defined symbols in the pass one algorithm. So there are three steps involved in the pass one algorithm. First one, going to assign addresses to all the statements of the program. Second one, you're going to save the value that the addresses to assign to all the labels for use in the pass two. Third one, you're going to perform some processing for assembler directive. So next pass two, we are going to assemble instructions and generate object program. So there are 4 steps. In first step, we are going to assemble instruction, that is translating operation codes and looking up addresses. Second one, generate data values defined by byte, word, etc. Third one, perform processing of assembler directive not done during pass one. Fourth one, write the object program and the assembly listing. So this is a pass one algorithm model. Here we are going to mention all the defined symbols in the object program. This is the path to algorithm. Here we are going to develop a calculation or any formulation, define symbols in the pass one. So here it is the main concept. We are going to save the record, save the symbols used in the pass one algorithm, and we are going to generate an object program. So thank you so much.